Such a beautiful and elegant shell knot. Many sisters said they can't wear it. It's really simple. It only takes one step to learn it. Pick up your square scarf. You can practice, but I can practice with me. The silk scarf is made of double-sided and double color. Both sides can be used as a ribbon, and it's a large 88 size. We can use it as a shawl to tie it around your body. As a small scarf, it has a wide range of uses. Fold it into a triangle shape, the right angle in the triangle. Grab it all and hold it like this. Hang it over your shoulder. Short one over long one. Then lift up the long small ear from the back of the short side to make a circle to the front directly.
Just make to knots with the 2 ears to fix it.
Fix it and hold it to turn it around. Then how big and wide should the small hem be? You can adjust it according to the neckline. To adjust it accordingly, this tying method has more folds. It has 2 layers inside and out, so when we wear it in winter, it's quite warm. It will be warm. Let's wear a coat to show you. This tying method is especially suitable for our current autumn sisters who want to keep their necks warm. To make a bow tie, have you learned it?